Good afternoon, everyone. This is Byron Thomas Auto Sales in Scotland Neck, North Carolina. I'm bringing you a quick video walk around of this 2010 Ford Edge Limited two-wheel drive with only 62,000 miles. This is a really nice mid-sized SUV with a clean CARFAX report. We'll give you a quick walk around and point out some of the features. So as you can see, this Edge has a really beautiful black metallic finish. No major blemishes. No major dents or dings, scratches, no rust or corrosion. As we mentioned, it's got a clean CARFAX report, so no accident history, no salvage or flood history, nothing negative whatsoever. Lots of chrome details, dual exhaust, parking sensors in the back, backup camera. Especially for a 2010 model, this has a lot of features and has definitely been well cared for, well maintained. And as we mentioned too, only 62,000 miles. Definitely a rare find. Here's a view of the inside. You can see the leather is in excellent condition. No rips or tears. Headliner looks great. Nice big center console. It's got the big touchscreen display. AC's nice and cold. Heated seats. Cruise control. It's even got the original all-weather mats, power seats as well. Just lots of great features on this Ford Edge. You can see the second row also is just in excellent condition, almost like no one's even sat back here. It's very clean. Rubber mats once again. AC here in the rear. We'll get that driver headrest turned around in case you noticed that in the video. Somebody put it in backwards, but we'll get that straightened out. But yeah, just very clean, no pet hair, no pet odor, no smoky smell. Just very well taken care of on the interior. It's got the power lift gate. And one great thing about these Edges, they have a lot of storage here in the cargo space, plenty of room for whatever you need. It's also got the second row that will fold down electronically with this button there, which will give you quite a bit more room, but very clean back here in the back as well. Here's a shot of the passenger side. See, it's got the original window sticker, but again, the seats look great here on the passenger side as well. Dashboard's in great condition, no cracks or discoloration. Comes with the original books as well. Really nice SUV. It's a quick shot under the hood. It's got a 3.5 liter V6. As you can hear, it runs very smooth. No rust or corrosion under the hood. It's had the oil change, so it's definitely ready for any trip you'd like to take it on. All right, thanks everyone for checking out the video for this 2010 Ford Edge Limited two-wheel drive with only 62,000 miles. As we mentioned, it's got a clean CARFAX, so no salvage, no flood history. You can check out our website, byronthomasauto.com, where you can find more pictures and information on this vehicle as well as the rest of our inventory. And then, of course, give us a call anytime at 252-567-3885 if you'd like to schedule a test drive or if you have any questions we can answer. Have a great day.